Here's the PCB prototype of the brake beam sensor. You can see I got these PCBs in the mail the other day. There are about half a dozen minor errors, but all fixable in the next rev. And I put together the first board. You can see here there are batteries on one side and the circuit on the other. There are connectors for the IR receiver and the IR LED. And then I use an audio jack to connect a cable over to the PIR actuator on the camera. And then I've just set up the IR sender and IR receiver here, and we can see that when I turn the device on, I get this light blinking 3 times. Now it's in beam test, and you can tell if I interrupt the beam, the light goes off. Stays in beam test for a little while, and the beam test LED will go off. And now it's in operating mode. So in operating mode, when I break the beam, it sends a pulse to the PIR actuator and illuminates that little LED on the board. Now we can see over here, I've got the camera set up in the test mode, and as soon as I break the beam, you can see that the PIR triggers. I've got a little bit of work to do to get the focal length and mounting mechanism for the PIR actuator exactly right, and you can see I have a little bit more work to do on the PCB board, but all in all, it looks pretty good.